Hello dear friends, this is the Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to enable the swipe feature on your iPhone keyboard. Here is your keyboard, but the swipe doesn't work. But you can hold down one letter and without releasing your finger, you can swipe on the keyboard to type. How do you turn this feature on? You go into your iPhone settings. Now you go down and dig General. Now you select Keyboard. You go down a little lower and select Slide to type. Select this item. If you have already installed iOS 16.4, these functions will be available not only English but also in other languages. Let's turn this checkbox on. Here too we select this item. Now we go back to the keyboard and see that we can swipe and type any word. For example, the word history. It all works. So that's the easy way. That was the Apple Fruit channel. Like it and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.